Science plays a critical role in cleaning. At Mary Maids and ServiceMaster Clean, we use the latest tools and technology to provide the highest quality cleaning and disinfecting services to home and businesses. We use highly effective disinfectants and antimicrobials to kill bacteria on contact and safely protect surfaces for weeks afterwards. We use modern tools and techniques to mop, dust, and vacuum. Microfiber cloths and mops used with proper S-wiping pattern capture and remove dust particles more effectively. Vacuums equipped with HEPA filters capture the tiniest particles that would otherwise irritate people with asthma and allergies. Our thoroughly trained technicians can use electrostatic sprayers that emit positively charged disinfectant particles that clean to all surfaces and provide uniform disinfection. Science is essential for cleaning and disinfecting. At Mary Maids and ServiceMaster Clean, we take clean to the next level. Learn more about the science of cleaning. Visit us online at marymaids.com and servicemasterclean.com.